welcome back to my channel. This is Onyx Food Hill. I'm just going to show you how you can prepare your tomatoes very quickly before you use it for stew. There are different ways to make this. You can either blend your tomatoes first before boiling it, but I figured out that this particular method takes a lot of time because you have to blend the tomatoes with water, then you have to wait for sometimes 30 minutes, 1 hour before the water dries up before you can start the stew process. I just figured out this method is one of the simplest. The tomatoes is boiled and then blended. No need of boiling it again once it has boiled, and your tomatoes lose a lot of water. The boiling method also helps to reduce the sour taste of the tomatoes. In this case, you don't need to fry the tomatoes for too long for your stew. Just within few minutes you're done with everything. So let's get into this. Keep watching. In this bowl I have some ripe tomatoes and bell peppers, scotch bonnet, onions. Then I'll be adding few ginger and garlic to it. You can choose to combine all of this or just blend only tomatoes. It depends on what you want to make. In a medium pot, combine onions, pepper, ginger, garlic and the tomatoes. The quantity of tomatoes you're boiling depends on the quantity of stew you want to make. You can add more onions if you're the type that love onions very well. Now, without adding water to the tomatoes, place the lid over it, then place this on heat to cook. The tomatoes and the peppers are going to lose a lot of water, so no need of adding water. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes for the tomatoes to become soft. Okay, so we boiled this close to 10 minutes, so I'm going to off the heat. I'm sure you can notice the quantity of liquid that came out of this, so you can drain this and then leave it to get cool before you blend. This is what we've got after blending. Very smooth and there's not much water. You got your blended tomatoes. So as for me, this was the best method to get rid of much water from my tomato and also to reduce the sour taste. You can just go ahead and prepare your stew with this mixture or preserve this in the fridge until when you want to make your next stew. I hope you try my method out. Let me know how it goes. Leave your comments, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.